Subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest updates and notifications from the Indian Express.
It's hard not to get smitten by the Galaxy S10e. No, it doesn't offer a triple cameras on the back or the curved AMOLED screen, but the Galaxy S10e delivers everything a flagship has to offer at a reasonable price. You get the fast and zippy Exynos 9820 processor, reasonably good dual cameras on the back, and sharp AMOLED display with a punch hole design. I am also pleasantly surprised with how Samsung managed to make the Galaxy S10e so compact. There are a couple of things I like and dislike about the new Galaxy S10e. So let's jump into what you need to know about Samsung's rival to Apple iPhone XR and Google Pixel 3. Galaxy S10e feels perfect in my hands. The phone looks exactly the same as the Galaxy S10 Plus, featuring the same glass back. However, what makes the Galaxy S10e different from other flagships is the size. It's easier to hold than the larger Galaxy S10 Plus, but offers a large enough 5.8-inch screen since the display is edge-to-edge and top-to-bottom. There is a punch hole camera at the top right, which according to Samsung helped to achieve those slimmer bezels. When you hold the Galaxy S10e, it feels like a premium smartphone. Yes, it's slippery in the hand. You will probably want to buy a case. On the side of the phone, you will find the capacitive fingerprint sensor. It works fast as advertised. Sorry folks, an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner is reserved for the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. The S10e's display is the best screen I have ever seen on a smartphone. The 5.8-inch display uses Samsung's new dynamic AMOLED display technology. Sure, it doesn't have WQHD Plus display, but I'm okay with the full HD Plus resolution. The display is bright, colorful, and viewable from all angles. The Galaxy S10e has Samsung's latest Exynos 9820 processor coupled with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Performance was excellent and I struggle to see any real difference in day-to-day life between the Galaxy S10e and the iPhone XR. Honestly, I haven't seen app crashes or performance dip in my week-long testing. It runs games like Asphalt 9 without a glitch. Video playback, whether from Netflix or YouTube, looked and sounded great. The speakers on this phone have been improved to offer greater loudness. The battery life on the Galaxy S10e lasted exactly about a day. That was when using it as my primary device and receiving hundreds of emails and push notifications, taking pictures, playing a quick game and listening to Spotify. Don't expect a 2-day battery life here. However, the battery life on the Galaxy S10e should be good enough for most users. The Galaxy S10e supports wireless charging as well as wireless power share. The latter feature will allow users to wirelessly charge other Qi-enabled products. The phone runs One UI, which is based on Android 9.0 Pie. The UI offers nice touches like the dark mode. And yes, the software is heavily customizable. And the best part of One UI, you can finally remap the Bixby button for other functions, though apparently you can't change it to Google Assistant. The S10e has two cameras on the back, one 12-megapixel primary sensor with a variable aperture and another 16-megapixel ultra-wide angle lens. On the front is a 10-megapixel lens. In outdoors, I was able to capture some detailed and colored shots. The S10e's HDR mode works surprisingly well. If you are upgrading from the Galaxy S6 or S7, you will notice a sharp increase in the picture quality. Shots taken in low light were decent enough, though I was expecting slightly better results. You can also take professional looking pictures with bokeh or the blur effect that you can see from high-end smartphones. The S10e's 10-megapixel front camera is fairly decent. Selfies have the same pin-sharp subject blurred background as the rear cameras manage. If you are like me and want a premium compact smartphone, then yes, the Galaxy S10e is the best phone to buy. The phone is priced at Rs 55,900 and includes 128GB of storage. Most new smartphones are iterative upgrades to last year's model, but this smartphone feels different and I love the fact that Samsung is trying to do something different here.